Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to create AI posters in CapCut using your own photos? You can do it with the Creative Posters feature in just a few simple steps. This is useful for making stylish posters, social media content, or creative edits directly from your phone. Let me show you how. First, open CapCut on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Next, go to AI Lab, then tap Image. After that, select Creative Posters. Your gallery or media library will open automatically. Now choose the photo you want to use. Once your image is selected, you will see a text box that says Enter your ideas. Here you can describe the style or design you want. For example, you can type something like create a cinematic movie poster with dramatic lighting, or turn this into a futuristic cyberpunk poster. After entering your idea, tap the send button. CapCut will process your request and generate an AI poster based on your photo and prompt. Wait a few moments until the result appears. Once finished, you can preview, save, or continue editing the poster. This makes it easy to create professional looking posters using AI directly on your phone. And that's how to create AI posters with Creative Posters in CapCut on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.